front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and use gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, make sure to select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, click on the same microphone or simply stop talking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!